Reverse engineering is an important process that helps engineers recreate existing designs or replace parts that are impossible or hard to find. Through 3D scans, engineers can get a digital version of the product or part in question. But often these scans are either incomplete or have geometry errors. The next step of the process is to use Ansys Discovery to turn that STL mesh file into a workable solid geometry. In this course, we will learn about the STL facet cleanup tools, as well as the reverse engineering tools in Ansys Discovery. The course will conclude with a demonstration of how to reverse engineer a product part from start to finish.